Time he gonna rev it. We good?
Man tryna run up a band, cause a nigga fell off again.
What's going on YouTube? What's going on world? If this is our first time meeting, my name is Solo and welcome to my channel, Vlogging with Solo. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, and share, but most importantly, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you stay tuned to all the videos that I got coming. If you guys are loyal subscribers who've been here from day one, I appreciate the love and everything that you do. You know for a fact it never goes unnoticed, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's get into the video. As you guys can see from behind me, Stella's she's getting prepped. She's about to go ahead and start getting worked on. So people always ask me where I get my vehicles worked on at. And a lot of times you'll see me at home, you know what I'm saying, like mom and pop kind of shops. Cause I feel like I get the better bang for my buck. And you know, they take more pride in their work, in my opinion. I stay away from a lot of the big businesses if I don't have to be there. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. So as you guys can see, we're here at Draco's garage, about to go ahead and get these headers and these mid pipes put in. Like I said, I've been sitting on stuff for a while. This is one of the mods I've been sitting on, but it's about time I finally put them in. Now, obviously, this is like a 6 to 8 hour job, so everything won't be recorded because we're not about to make a 6 to 8 hour video, but we'll catch some scenes, you know what I'm saying? We'll give you guys some tips, some pointers on some things, and we'll go from there, so stay tuned. Remove for engine service. Don't be that guy that's trying to do it through this. It won't happen.
Shit, you gonna have less room than me because your engine bigger. Shit, then you gotta take the bolt out all the way. All you do is make sure it's loose enough so when you take off the top bolts up here, it should slide out.
Oh yeah, we gotta keep going.
The old side be also for use.
So y'all can get the other side. So for the front two bolts for the mid pipes, as you can see, we got WD-40 on them. They're a little bit more tighter than we expected. So what we did was, as you can see right there, we got an impact. We're about to put it there to get like a little bit more leverage on the boat. You know what I'm saying?
I need a deep well.
Work smarter, not harder. These things are bolted down, like they not turning, they not bulging a bit. So we just gotta get a little bit more power up on them to get them spent down. So stay tuned. Hey, so we finally got the bolts taken out of the mid pipes. Finally got it loosened up to what we needed. Now we just kind of pull them out. Go ahead, you Uncle Willie, son.
That goat,
Hey, hey, for all the viewers that's watching, if you guys want to get your good vitamin D when you're doing this install, make sure you guys drink some goat milk before you start. You're guaranteed 100% muscle increase. Now you guys can see that the mid pipes are out. No more mid pipe. Bitch, right here so ugly. All right, you good? This with no cats. So as you guys see, we had to disconnect the air box to get better leverage for the header bolts. Now you guys can't see from here because they kind of tucked up underneath, so you gotta go up under the vehicle to get to them. So as you guys can see, try to zoom in for y'all real quick. So as you guys can see, just by looking, I don't know if you guys can see right there, but try to get my finger. Where I'm pointing at right there is where one of the header bolts is at. It's already been taken out, but you gotta get each header bolt out before you can slide it out, obviously. So it's kind of tight. So what tool we have is, this is what we're using right now to get better leverage on getting those bolts out of there, because it's very, very tight in there. Just stay tuned, because I can't really record while I'm up under here. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Just gonna set the camera down, get some better angle on it, get some better footage, and then we'll just go from there.
Focus on the future, but I think about the past. Cause a nigga fell off again. Don't get no fuck by the L I took. I ain't never looking back again. I'm running shit.
And there you guys have it. First header is out. So you guys can see this is how it looks without any headers in there. Just free before we go ahead and put the long tubes in there. As you guys can see right there, that's where the gasket goes. So we're gonna get the gasket put on, put the long tubes on, and we're gonna keep going from there. But this is what it looks like with no headers at all. So now he about to go ahead and put the gaskets on the first side of the driver's side headers that we took off. Even recording is kind of hard to record because everything is so tight to get into. So giving you guys the best angle I can give you.
Make sure.
So yeah, stay tuned. So once you guys wiggle it up in there and get it screwed in and bolted in, this is what it looks like. Try to move the camera so it don't sit too low, but that's what it looked like before the Catless mid pipe gets put on. Now, keep in mind, when you putting this in, this steering wheel joint right here may become a problem. When you try to slide this up, the fact that it has like size and it's kind of like bulky, it hits this a lot going in, and it's kind of a tight fit. So keep that in mind. So food for thought. More than likely you will, when putting these headers in, try to get a good angle for you guys, you will have to take this mount off. You will have to take it apart. There was absolutely no way we was able to get that in there with that mount in place. It just kept hitting it and becoming a problem. So try to get a better angle for you guys. Get a better angle for you guys. This mount right here, more than likely will have to come apart. Now, if you're more skilled and technical and have the tools to get it in there and get it past that, then so be it. But more than likely for the average mechanic or the average, you know what I'm saying, individual that's think it's a DIY and wants to do it themselves, just a heads up, you will have to take this mount apart and take it off to get those headers up in there. So same thing, second side, we're working on getting the bolt down there loosened up, that way we can get the header slid on. I know you guys can't really see from here, but if you can see my finger, it is that bolt right there, that mount right there. So we're working on getting that mount loosened and moved out the way, that way we can get the header slid on and we can get the gasket put on. So just gotta stay tuned. So we're on the drive side just so you guys can see the actual headers in place. I'll do my best so you guys can see, try to zoom in for you guys right there. So that's what it looks like from the outside when you pop the hood looking in. So now that we actually got the last bolt, I know it's kind of hard for you guys to see. Now we're about to go ahead and raise the engine. That way we can go ahead and get it in place for the actual gasket and actually the header. So as you guys can see, there's an incline. The engine is moving. It is raised a little bit. Strongly recommend, if you do this yourself, to raise your engine. It'll be a whole lot easier getting in between the grooves, trying to get things in there. So if you guys can see, this is the passenger side install of the headers. It's a little tight. I'm gonna go up top, put the gasket in. All right, but as you guys can see, that's how to fit in. We still got the other one right here. So, you know, about 75% complete. So this is a video of how it sounds with open headers with no Catless mid pipes on. You just see how it sounds. So. Time he gonna rev it. We good. right, so first startup with the new system. Let's get it. So this is how it sounds with the window down. A little pull with the window down. So you guys can hear. So to be perfectly honest with you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, but I will tell you this install was not easy. The difficulty level was literally up there. In my opinion, I'll give it an 8, maybe even a 10. It's all depending on how you look at it. I felt a difference immediately among putting these long tube headers in. Like, I'm talking about immediately I felt a difference. Now, the tune is coming, so that will be saved for another video. It won't be in this one, but once I get it tuned and stuff like that, I'll give you guys a better review on it. But like I said, man, my advice to you guys is if you guys know a shop in town somewhere close to you guys, wherever you may live, just take it to a shop. I mean, if you do want to DIY it, just know that it's not as easy as it looks. It was definitely tough. It definitely took us longer than 8 hours, I'll tell you that. So with that being said, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below, tell me what you think, or send me a message on Instagram at SoloSRT. And like always, I'll see you guys when I see you. Peace.